Kinumpirma na ng Commission on Appointments sa pagkakatalaga kay dating DOTC Secretary Mar Rojas bilang bagong kalihim ng DILG. Ito'y matapos bawiin ni Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago ang kanyang pagtutol sa nominasyon. Nakatutok si Jam si Santos.
Maaga si Rojas sa Senado kanina. Una siyang sumalang sa Commission on Appointments Committee. Walang kahirap-hirap na nakuha ni Rojas ang go signal ng mga committee members para irekomenda ang kumpirmasyon nito sa plenaryo. Pero pag-akyat sa plenaryo, hindi maikakailang may tensyon. Si Senador Tito Soto bilang chairman ng Commission on Appointments Committee on Interior and Local Government ang nag-endorso sa appointment ni Rojas.
He has had an excellent record. We hope that this record of his and his lineage will bring the Department of Interior and Local Government to greater heights. So I respectfully move that we confirm the nomination of Secretary Manuel Rojas II.
At tulad ng kanyang babala, tumayo si Senador Miriam Defensor Santiago. Tinutulan niya ang kumpirmasyon ni Rojas dahil daw sa pang-iisnab ng mga cabinet secretary sa pinatawag niyang Senate hearing patungkol sa mga isyong pinupukol kay dating DILG Undersecretary Rico Puno. Nasa likod lang ng senadora si Rojas na tahimik na nakikinig sa sinabi ni Santiago.
I consider myself deeply insulted by the action of Malacanang in deciding collectively among the cabinet that they would snub my committee hearing on a former DILG Undersecretary. I now want to stand by the principle that the executive branch of the government cannot effectively prevent the legislative branch of the government from holding any inquiry in aid of legislation, a constitutionally protected power, simply by agreeing among themselves that they will not show up.
Ginamit ng senadora ang Section 20 sa Rules ng Commission on Appointments na nagbibigay ng kapangyarihan sa kahit sinong senador na harangin ng isang kumpirmasyon.
I hereby invoke Section 20 and move for the suspension of the consideration of the nomination of the nominee.
Pero matapos pansamantalang isuspende ang plenaryo, umapila sa senadora si Soto na hindi naman nahirapan sa kanyang panunuyo.
My high intelligence quotient dictates that I should reconsider and therefore withdraw my motion to suspend.
All right. There being such a withdrawal and there being no objection to the confirmation of the nominee, the Honorable Manuel Araneta Acuña Rojas for the position of Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government. The motion is hereby approved and his nomination is hereby confirmed.
Hindi matago ang tuwa ni Rojas. Ang kaba tila napawi nang lapitan siya ng senadora at magbeso-beso sila. Kasamang nakumpirma ni Rojas si Secretary Emilio Abaya na kanyang kapalit bilang DOTC Secretary. Jam si Sante, nakatutok, 24 oras.